Hey guys, Justin again with Shock Therapy, and we are going to show you how to install our limit strap kit on a Can-Am X3 DS. Our limit strap kit is going to stop all extension clunk that's prevalent in the Can-Am. This is a relatively easy installation, and if you're comfortable with taking the shocks off the front of your car, it should take you less than an hour. So today's installation is going to be performed by Steve. Hi Steve. Let's take a walk over to the bench and see what's included in our limit strap kit. So on the bench in front of me, you'll see all of the components that are included in an X3, DS, and base limit strap kit. Some of the components that come in the kit are 2 billet aluminum upper clevis limit strap mounts, 2 adjustable clevises, 12mm hardware, including nuts, washers, and spacers. These spacers are designed to fill the space inside of the tubular mount of the lower control arm. 2 limit straps with adjustable tethers to retain the strap against the coil spring so it does not bow out and grab anything else on the car. As always, we recommend that you lay all the parts out on the bench in advance to make sure that you have everything that you need to start this installation. Now that you're familiar with all the parts, let's go ahead and hand it over to Steve to start this install.
All right, kids, always remember, safety first.
Step 1 is to jack the car up to where the tires are about an inch off the ground. Remove the hardware holding the shock to the car, starting with the lower hardware first. Save all of the hardware, as some of the nuts might be reused in the limit strap kit. First step is to install the billet aluminum limit strap clamp to the head of the shock. Clock the limit strap clamp so that the mounting hole for the adjustable clevis is facing forward and is lined up with the upper bolt hole for the mounting position of the shock. When you tighten the limit strap clamp, make sure that it is raised as high up on the shock body as possible. It should be touching the black head of the shock. Begin installing the strap by locating the larger hole in the strap. The top of the strap has the larger hole and will be installed onto the clevis. After tightening the clevis bolt, make sure that the strap can actually move inside the clevis. Next, install the adjustable clevis onto the billet clamp. Make sure that you use the star washers that are supplied and that they are touching both sides of the billet clamp when you install the clevis. A good starting point for strap measurement is to set the strap up 1.5 inches shorter than the shock. This is measured from the lower hole to the lower hole of the strap. Next, tighten the clevis to the billet aluminum clamp, making sure that the clevis is perfectly straight with the spring so that the strap is in line with the spring assembly. Remove the strap from the clevis for the installation of the shock. With the clamp installed on the shock, you can install the shock back on the car. Start with the stock upper hardware. Finally, before installing the strap on the car, grab the hardware that is supplied in the kit for the lower bolt. Install the lower bolt with the stainless steel washer on the bottom, then install the stainless steel spacer onto the bolt. You can now install the strap on the car. Install the bottom of the strap first. Slide the supplied bolt and stainless steel spacer through the control arm, through the shock, and install the factory nut on the back of the bolt. Lower the car back on the ground and push on the front bumper to compress the suspension. This will give you enough space to install the adjustable clevis. With the adjustable clevis installed on the billet clamp, you can now jack the car up off the ground again. With the car off the ground, the limit strap is perfectly straight and you can torque the lower hardware first. Next, you can tighten the upper shock bolt. You can repeat the process on the other side.
As you can see by watching Steve install the complete kit, it's a relatively easy installation. The important thing that you want to make sure that you remember is to keep up on your adjustments. Our kit is adjustable so that you can maintain the correct length in the strap kit. If over time the strap stretches, you can choke the system up by 1/4 of an inch and maintain the fact that there's no extension clunk. The adjustability in our kit allows you to maintain the correct length, which stops extension clunk and keeps you from sacrificing any travel. If you have any questions on this installation, then call the shop at 623-217-4959 or visit our site at shocktherapist.com.